walk any closer. Just try to get as far back as you can.
They're already coming.
Yeah. You never know what might go off next.
Hey, at least everyone was okay.
Yeah, everything's okay.
Is yours?
No. I just saw, I heard the pop.
I know, I heard the boom. I actually got it on, I got the whole thing on tape because we were filming back there.
I heard the boom and looked over and saw the little bit of flame coming out and I thought, oh shoot.
Yeah, that happened fast.
That's how it happens.
It was like 30 seconds from small flame to engulfing the whole thing.
Everyone's off, right?
Yeah, nobody's on it.
Wow, I've never seen the dock actually catch flame.